Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I am back to share a new digital download file from my Crafty Boutique. It is called Haunted Night, just in time for Halloween crafting. Oh my gosh, you guys know I absolutely love Halloween. And Louisa, who is the owner of My Crafty Boutique, just came out with this collection, and oh my goodness, it is so spookylicious. It's amazing. All right, I'm going to share with you the digital papers first. There is a total, it's a pretty big file, you guys, and I want to say there's a total of 8 papers. Sorry, no, 16 designs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 16 designs. I said 8 because I actually printed mine double-sided, but there's 16 designs. And then she has, of course, all these ephemera pieces as well as 1 page of journaling cards that you can print and cut. So here are the papers. Ooh, are you dying right now? Oh my gosh, you guys. It is gorgeous. I mean, it's gorgeous. Look at what she created. I love it. I mean, this isn't, I could never do anything like this, but look at all the fun elements clustered here with flowers, and look at the hand, the skeleton. An ephemera piece right here. There's a butterfly. It's just so pretty. Some lace, and look at this background, you guys. The colors are so amazing. I mean, I was dying as I was printing this out. Like every single sheet that came out of my printer, I was just you know aghast. Okay, so anyway, there's the first one. Isn't that gorgeous? And then here we have this beautiful one right here, which is in this orange background. And it looks like canvas, you guys, isn't it? Look at the texture. It looks like canvas. There's a nice, pretty lace pattern up there and up here. 2 different kinds there. It looks like, oh no, it's the same. Similar. And look at the lantern. Oh my gosh, I did not notice that last night. There's like a lantern creeping up here on the side. How amazing is that? Oh my gosh, Louisa, you did an excellent job, lady. Love it. Okay, here's the next one. So the colors are a little bit different here. Look at this beautiful greenish teal color. That's what it looks like to me anyway. I mean, is that not spooky? Just, oh my gosh. So last year her papers were a bit on the cutesy side, but oh my gosh, it was really fun to work with her papers last year, but this year as well, because it's, oh my gosh, I love it. I love the spookiness of it right now. Loving spooky right now, you guys. Here's the next one here. Look at this. What a fun, what is this called? Like a harlequin pattern? I don't know. Love it. Look at that. Mr. and Mrs. Skeleton over there. Ooh, spooky. And the spiders. How amazing is that? It's so grungy. I love it. All right, next we have the wood grain pattern. And again, she does this cluster on the corners here. Look at that, all the ephemera. And these, you guys, are some of the elements of the ephemera pieces. You'll see in a minute. Look at that spider web. And she has this torn paper look over here. I love it. I love it. And this fun dark wood grain. It's beautiful. All right, next you have this wonderful night sky with that eerie looking moon and the bats. Ooh, oh my gosh, I could already think of several projects that I want to do with this one. Then you have this one right here. Look at the handprints. Again, just fun, fun, fun. And look at this. Ooh, aren't those great for like making bottle caps? Oh my gosh, I can already see it. And then this is the last page right here, which, oops, I have it upside down, sorry. But look how fun this is, you guys. Just some fun words that you can even cut apart. And they're small. And it just reminds me of like those Tim Holtz, you know, those fun phrases and words that he has in black and white. Isn't that fun? And then here's the back of that. This is kind of a like a army green color. That's what it looks like. Ooh, that one is really scary. I just noticed it, but you see all the skulls? Ooh, gosh. Okay, that one gives me the chills. Here is the journaling cards that you can cut apart, and you do get a border here when you print it out. Look at that fun notebook paper, and look at that couple again over here. Ooh, love it. All right, guys, then comes the ephemera pieces. I had to print and cut these. Some of them I actually cut by hand because I kind of did it wrong on my... It's a process. Let me just say, it's a process when you have to print and cut these on your Cricut, even though, you know, it's faster with a Cricut. I'm not the best with it yet, but I did finally figure out how to do the white border around, because last time I couldn't do it. So anyway, sorry, I'm just babbling. All right, let's just dive in here. Look at these, you guys. Look at these fun elements. The bottles. Okay, you have some bones and keys over here. Look at the keys. You have a couple of them, and then the bones. And then you have this mirror, hand mirror. And there's two of them somewhere here. Here's a couple more bottles. How fun are those? Oops, let me just get into frame there. All right, let me just, I probably will have to speed this up just to show you guys, because it's a lot. includes all the ephemeras. Wasn't that a lot? Now keep in mind I did double some of them just because I kind of made a mistake and then I had to reprint it again, so that's why. So of course, you know, there's only one design like this, but again, what's fun about having a digital kit is you can print as many as you want or as little as you want. This one right here too, she had a white background for it, but I was able to change the background on my printer, and instead of a white background behind the words, I did orange, and I did you know, a purple color. And of course you can resize it if you need to. So isn't this just so amazing? So I hope you guys check it out. I will leave the link in the description box if you're interested in getting this digital kit. It is very inexpensive considering you get a pretty big file. So anyway, give us some support, and I hope you do check out her store, my Crafty Boutique. And again, this is called Haunted Night. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.